Them I wonder how me live through this. I'm blessed, I'm sanctified. From the bond on the earth is a risk. I'm blessed, I'm sanctified.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to shoot a tag video for you guys. The last tag video I shot for you guys was the Jamaican tag. I will link it down below. But I wanted to do another tag just so you guys can get to know me a little bit better. Yeah, so I know there's a lot of new subscribers. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. I am so happy to welcome you to my team. So yeah, the tag that I'm going to be doing today is, let me look, I took a picture of it. It is so the tag I'm going to be doing is the New Year Look Back tag. I glanced on the questions because there was like a lot of tags. Okay, so the first question is, what did you do in last year that you've never done before? To be honest, last year I questioned my faith a lot. And that's just because of, you know, losing someone. And a lot was going on with me. So I think that was like a pivot in my life where I was like questioning a lot of things that I probably shouldn't have questioned, but I'm human, so you know, what are you gonna expect? What was last year's New Year's resolution? How did you do? My last year resolution, I'm guessing 2017, right? Oh shit. I don't think I made a resolution last year. I kind of break them all the time, so I think I didn't even make one. What would you like to have accomplished last year that you didn't get to? A lot of things, actually. There was a lot of things on my list of things to do that I didn't get to accomplish. But this year so far, I'm doing a lot better. I don't want to really share what's going on. What was your biggest achievement of the year? I'm guessing last year. I got my first degree, which was very exciting. So it just proved to me that, okay, yeah, I can do it kind of situation. So yeah, I was really happy to finally get my first degree. What was the best thing you bought? Last year I bought a lot of perfumes. I kind of like treated myself. I got the Black Opium by YSL. I really like that. I got, what else did I get? I got the Alien. My aunt introduced me to that perfume and I really liked it. Yeah, I think like perfumes are kind of, you know, what I think perfumes, yeah, that's like the best thing about myself, because usually I'll just like use the little samples. I'm so cheap sometimes, but I'll just use the little samples. But I was like, you know what, I work hard, I save, why don't I just, you know, kind of treat myself? So I did. Did you travel anywhere memorable? Yeah, last year I went to Jamaica, so that's always memorable. Tell us a valuable life lesson you learned last year. I learned a lot of lessons last year. I think one of the biggest lessons I learned last year is just to appreciate the people around you. I think I do appreciate the people around me, but last year just made me look at everybody like so much different. Like I always tell like my family like I love them. I'm always giving them kisses and stuff like that, but I just feel like more than ever now, I just, you know, if I love you, I'm gonna tell you. If I have like beef with you or whatever, I just let it go. I just kind of go with the flow now. I think some things I stress over and I really shouldn't. I'm young and I have a lot of stuff going on for me and a lot of things that have presented themselves for me and, well, presented themselves to me, I should say. And yeah, so I think I should just kind of go with the flow and just take it easy. I think I take myself too serious sometimes. If you could look back on one memory this year you wish you could relive, what would it be? I think when I was with my uncle and I, you know, spent time with him, I would have, not that I didn't value the time, but I don't know. I just wish I could, you know what I mean? And I can kind of look back because I was vlogging, so yeah. If you could change anything about the year you had, what would it be? Losing a loved one. Share something you're looking forward to this year. I'm just looking forward to like what's in store for me. I don't really have like a pivot of what's gonna go on. I don't know if, hey, I might, I don't know. I just look forward to living my best life, I guess, and seeing what God has in store for me. And yeah, and obviously I look forward to going to see my family in Jamaica. That's always, you know what I mean, something I look forward to. But I think yeah, I think that's, but anyways guys, that is the tag video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tag video. If you have any questions for me, I'm actually gonna do a Snapchat Q&A from you guys, because I see you guys leave questions in my videos all the time. Right now, just leave questions for me. I know you guys have questions like for my other family members, but I would have to do that like when I'm in Jamaica, and I'll let you guys know when I'm gonna do like a Q&A when I'm going to Jamaica. But for now, under this video, you guys can leave questions and send your questions through Snapchat on my phone, and I will make a separate video for you guys. And thank you guys so much for all the support. You guys don't understand how you guys make my day. Every time I see your comments, thumbs up. You guys are absolutely amazing. Stay blessed, and I'll see you guys in my next video.